Hi everyone, this is Wayne. Welcome back. I just did a demonstration video in the kitchen, and I want you to see it. There's a couple different ones, but this is a grease filtration system. It's not a big commercial deal. It's simple, easy, reusable, and I think you're going to like it. I know I do. So whenever you're comfortable, go ahead and grab it. Thanks. In the kitchen here today, as you can see, got a couple items I want to show you. I got a grease strainer. A lot of times, yeah, we're unhealthy, we're backwoodsy, whatever. But we do deep fried food sometimes. Fish, chicken, things like that. Just like Mama used to do. Anyway, what do you do with the oil or bacon grease or whatever it may be afterwards? Well, I got this funnel and a strainer here, and stainless steel funnel, and it's a reusable, cleanable filter. I did get a second one just in case to have on hand, but this is a pretty slick system here. I've got some oil that I used. I tried some Pergies last night, and I'm not going to save this oil, but I wanted to use it to demonstrate. So let's just go ahead and get this pour on here. Now the oil goes through it kind of slowly, so that shows it's going to filter good. Okay. Now I can take my skillet to the sink. You can see did a real nice job of cleaning up the oil. And there's the crunchies left in it. Okay, now I'm going to take this over to the sink so we can wash it. Tell you what, just go ahead and get it now. I know you're going to love it like I do. Bye now.